Nurses, doctors, EMTs, they are all on the front lines of this pandemic. Their fear tonight is how to keep from bringing COVID-19 possibly home, infecting loved ones. News 5's Caleb Perhne shows us the extra steps healthcare workers are taking and how others are stepping up to help.
Through a video call, Washington County Johnson City EMS Captain Brandon Archer shows me the extreme steps his team is taking to try to avoid catching COVID-19. After every call, EMTs are disinfecting ambulances, hanging an ultraviolet light in each vehicle for 10 minutes and then sanitizing.
We got a sprayer that we spray disinfectant in here, and then we run it for 10 more minutes.
Archer says members of his crew have self-quarantined after transporting a COVID-19 patient. They worry about taking the virus home.
They leave their uniforms at work. We've got washer and dryers at all the stations. They'll do their laundry at the station.
Now ETSU is taking an additional step, offering dorm space for healthcare workers.
They may have 4 or 5 people in a smaller area or a higher risk population at home. So to have a place where they can stay with a separate HVAC system, to where they can have less contact with people.
Space is already set aside for 50 people to spread out, with room to expand. No one is using the space yet.
Our hope is that there's very little need for this service, but there's a strategy and a plan in place for it.
Archer says it's a scary time, but they are needed in this crisis.
We all signed up for this, and we know this is part of our job. It's one of the hazards of it that we could be exposed to something like this.
In Johnson City, Caleb Perhne, News 5 WCYB.
ETSU says healthcare workers should have their employer reach out to them if they need to stay on campus. Dorm rooms will be set aside as long as they're needed.